Let us move to our next topic, that is educational and economic backwardness of the Indian Muslims. ये हम लोग पढ़ रहे हैं ब्रिटिश के डिवाइड एंड रूल पॉलिसीज़, ब्रिटिश ने कैसे इंडिया में आकर धर्म के नाम पर भेदभाव किया और लोगों में डिस्क्रिमिनेशन करना स्टार्ट कर दिया. दे क्रिएटेड wedges between Hindus and Muslims, they created the wedges between Hindus and Sikh, and they also tried to spread the feeling of hatred among the Indian people. Apart from that, let us move to our second topic, educational and economic backwardness of the Indian Muslims. So as earlier, the upper class Muslim comprising of zamidars and aristocrats were conservatives, and they were hostile towards the modern education. They did not accept the Western culture and the Western education, and that is why that was the main reason the part of Indian Muslims remained back in comparison to the other communities in the field of education. Indian Muslims were proud of their own culture as well as their literature, and that is why they did not adopt the British language as well as British education. Due to this reason, the Indian Muslims were left behind in the field of education. Even the Muslims had taken little interest in the growth of trade and industries, and it was also the second reason that Muslims were not only the backward in the field of education, they were also backward in the field of economy. The Muslims remained backward in social and cultural spheres, and this was because they were proud of their own literature and culture and did not adopt the Western system of education. From here, the British got a chance to create the wedges between the Hindus and Muslims on the behalf of education and economy.